Hello developers and welcome back. I'm very proud of you because you are creating these complex applications step by step. In this video, we're going to introduce the tab layout for our applications. Tab layout is a UI component that is often used in conjunction with a view pager to create tabbed interfaces. A tab layout provides a horizontal layout of tabs, and each tab corresponds to a page in the associated view pager. The combination of tab layout and view pager is a popular design pattern for organizing and navigating between different sections or categories of content within an app. For example, what's up? In order to create the tab layout, let's move to the activity_main.xml file, and here I'll start with tab layout. Select it, and the width would be match parent. The height would be wrap content, and you can see that our tab layout is created. I'll add an ID, tab layout, and here I'll remove this constraint for the view pager, and I can drag and drop it to this and link it to the bottom of tab layout. And click the tab layout and click on Infer Constraints button in order to add these constraints for this tab layout. So this is how we create the tab layout in XML. Now let's move to the main activity and initialize this tab layout. Under this, let initiate var tab layout, it's of type tab layout, and scroll down inside the onCreate method to start initializing and linking the view pager with the tab layout. I'll start with tab layout equals to find a view by ID r.id.tab_layout. Then I'll use tab layout mediator, and inside this mediator I need to pass some parameters. The tab layout mediator is a utility class provided by Android X library that simplifies the process of connecting tab layout with a view pager or ViewPager2. It helps automatically updating the tab layout based on changes in the associated ViewPager2, making it easier to synchronize tabs with pages. Inside this constructor, I'll pass tab layout as the first parameter. The second parameter is ViewPager. This is the instance of the tab layout, and this is the instance of the ViewPager2 that we created before. And here I can use a lambda expression. Tab position gives us tab.text equals to tab position +1 dot attach. This will customize the tab text and display a title for them. Save the project and click run. And congratulations guys, here we have tab 1. If we click on tab 2, fragment number 2 is displayed. Tab 3 is displaying fragment number 3. And also if you move to fragment number 2, you can see tab 3 will be switched to tab 2, and now back to tab 1. Inside the lambda expression here, this is responsible for updating the tab labels based on the position of the associated fragment. So this utility class tab layout mediator simplifies the process of keeping the tab layout in sync with the ViewPager2, making it easier to manage tabs when the number of pages changes dynamically. So this is how we use tab layouts in Android with the ViewPager.